Look, this is inside look like this. They're very good. Okay. Wow. Yummy. Very good. You can try it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna like it. You can make for your family. It is really good food. No fat at all. You have a lot of fiber. You have a lot of vitamins. Yes. Hi friends, I'm Natalie. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Thai banana bread. So Thai banana look like this. They're very good and they're healthy and they're easy to eat. And actually I really love them to make like a breaking. Just put in the ovens about 45 minutes. So I'm gonna show you how, okay? So take a look how I did. So this kind of like a big banana. Actually, Thai banana not that big like this. I'm gonna cut about half. This is a very good vitamin fiber. So we cut about half a banana. This banana coming from Thailand. Yeah, banana is ready. I cut everything already, so we put in the oven. Look at it. Wow, this is a lot and yummy. Very good, healthy at this banana. They're big, but they're good. Okay, so we're gonna go to about 350. So I heated up about like 10 minutes ago. Alright friend, we're gonna put the banana in here. So 45 minutes and we see what happened, okay friends? Okay, time off, but they're not ready yet, so we just have to turn around them and then I'm gonna put more 15 minutes for 450 for 15 minutes, okay? So and then we see what they brown. But I know they cook inside, but they're not brown yet. So I'm gonna put 15 minutes for 450 degree. 15 minutes, okay, friends. Let's see. Okay, friends, they look like this. Very good. Still hot. Oh. So here I taste already. It's so good. Very good. Yummy. They're really healthy. They not have any fat at all. They're sweet from a banana inside. So no sugar or no nothing. Only real Thai banana. So good. Very good. Try it, then you're gonna love it. They're easy to make, easy to eat, and very good super food. Alrighty friend, if you like this, please give me a comment or give me a thumb, give me a subscribe, and next time I will give you something a lot better and gonna be amazing. You don't know what the Thai people eat because I'm Thai people, so I'm gonna show you something. Maybe you like to eat the same my country or same me. Alright guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.
มันไม่เผ็ดมาก
ไม่เผ็ดนะ
ไม่เผ็ดมาก
กลัวจังเลยนะเผ็ด
โอ้ได้เพียงว่าโดนได้
เพราะว่า
เอา